You know how important interregional conference is, don't you, Carol?
Mm-hmm.
At may bago sila, you know, the dance contest.
Dance contest? So magja-judge ka?
Hindi, I'm going to join.
Oh, I'm sure you will win hands down, huh?
Then so will you.
Me? Why me?
Because you're going to be my partner.
But, Boss Rick, I don't know how to dance. I have 2 left feet.
Look, you will practice. We have 5 days. Sasali tayo sa Interregional Ballroom Dancing Contest. At narito ang teacher mo. Teacher mo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back, and stop, and back, and stop, and back, and hip hop 1, and 2, and close, and 1, 2, 1. Pwede na.
Harvey, don't you have better things to do?
You mean like this, ma'am? Miss Joy? 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, my!
Wow.
Excuse me po, back to work na po.
No. Just a monument. Yung sabi, marunong ka sabayaw?
Boss Rick, nakalimutan niyo na po ba? Kami po ni Miss Joy nag-champion last year sa Christmas party.
Abay, kung ganun, di ituro nyo na lang sa amin ni Carol yung routine nyo.
Naku, Harvey, natandaan mo pa ba yun? Parang kahapon lang. Wow. Sige po.
Sige.
Miss Carol.
Okay.
Dito po tayo.
Okay.
Follow Miss Joy.
Okay.
Boss Rick, follow me.
Okay.
Tan! Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-tan!
Are you ready, Miss Carol?
Be gentle, Boss Rick. It's my first time.
You have to dance with passion, Carol.
Uy! Ano nangyari? Miss Carol!
Ay, naku, mag-uumpisa na yung contest. Thank you.
Sir, nasaan naman po yung partner niyo?
Oh, she's coming.
Wow. Okay, congratulations! Why don't we show them our piece?
Yes.
The champion piece.
Okay.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Carol, join us! Check!
One more time!
Ano to? Kakaroon pa tayong chess tournament?
Baka Bogle o Scrabble, pare.
Timer pag nagpapahat. Treat it like a bunny clock. It is a timer that you put on top of your desk para maorasan yung mga coffee break time ninyo. I need maximum output from all of you. Kaya ngayon, rarasyonin natin ang mga breaks ninyo. Paano po ako? Just like everybody else, you will set the timer to the amount of minutes agreed upon for break times. And, pag tumunog na siya, you rush back to your desk.
Ma'am, kasi inuutusan niyo ako magdala ng coffee sa office niyo o kaya si Boss Rick. Kaninong timer gagamitin ko? Sa akin o sa inyo?
Frida, paano nga ulit yung mechanics niyan?
Bawal mag-coffee break sabay-sabay. Pagkatapos ko, saka tatayo yung isa.
Akala ko ba per desk yung timer?
Kulang sa budget.
Paano yun? Kaya pala yung isa lang eh. Paano di alphabetical order yung coffee break?
Hindi, pakiramdaman na lang. Ay! Dali ko.
Ang swerte mo naman. Hindi ka nasama sa coffee break rule.
Gusto mo, bali tayo. Ikaw muna messenger pa eh.
P5, nauna na ako. Huwag magre-react, magbabanyo lang ako. This is not human anymore. For once, I agree with you, Harvey, I call this the tyranny of the coffee break timer. Kailangan makausap si Ma'am Carol!
Nauna ako.
Kaya alam mo, all the talk about women's intuition, that's a myth. That does not exist. Ngayon isang araw, yung asawa ko, pumasok ka. Okay. Talking about women's intuition. Never mind. Ayoko naman pakialaman ang preference mo, Pipay, pero hindi mo ba minsan naisip na siguro masarap magkaroon ng anak? Wala na ba akong makiusap na matino dito? I would like to announce the end of the coffee break timer! So, as I was saying the other day, I was driving to the mall with the wife.